In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop YouTube notifications on Gmail. If your inbox is getting flooded with messages from YouTube, there are two clean ways to quiet them down. First, by turning off email notifications directly in YouTube, and second, by using the unsubscribe links that appear in the emails you've already received. I'll walk you through both so you can choose what works best for you. Start on a desktop browser and sign in to YouTube with the Google account that's receiving the emails. This is important if you switch between accounts. You want to change settings for the exact inbox that's getting notified. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture in the top right and open Settings. On the Settings page, look at the menu on the left and select Notifications. This page organizes the types of alerts YouTube can send, grouped by things like subscriptions, recommendations, and activity related to your channel. Now scroll down to the email notifications section. It's usually toward the lower part of the page, so use the scroll bar if you don't see it right away. Here you'll find individual switches for common email types, such as recommended videos or activity on your channel. Toggle off anything you don't want to receive. Each option includes a short description. Take a moment to read them so you only turn off what you truly don't need. These controls affect email only, so you can keep in-app or mobile push notifications if those are still helpful. If you'd prefer to stop everything in one go, simply switch off all the options in the email notifications section. That disables YouTube's emails to your Gmail entirely. You can return to this page anytime to turn specific items back on. There's also a quick path right from your inbox. Open a YouTube email in Gmail and use the unsubscribe option. Gmail usually shows this next to the sender at the top, and there's often a matching link at the bottom of the message. Follow that to manage subscription. On the page that opens, confirm that you want to unsubscribe. You'll see a confirmation once it's done, and future emails of that type will stop. If you haven't actually subscribed to a particular category, you might not see choices under Manage Subscription for it. That's normal. It simply means there's nothing to change for that item. And that's it. Between updating email notifications in YouTube and using unsubscribe in Gmail, you now have full control over what lands in your inbox. Give it a little time for changes to take effect and enjoy a cleaner, quieter Gmail.